Hey, what's up, unboxing friends, aficionados, family? This shipped from Powell, Ohio, all the way to South Bend, Indiana. Ohio is a big state. I'm actually going there for Extreme Rules, and then we're going to go, so Cincinnati, I believe, for Extreme Rules, and then Columbus for Monday Night Raw the next night. So I'm pretty hyped about that. I'm not familiar with Powell, Ohio, personally, but maybe we'll be driving through it. Yeah. As always, thanks a lot for watching my videos. Please subscribe, please share. Check out some of my other ones. If you want to help support my channel, you can cash at me at London Hawthorne. You can also just share my videos and check out my other thousands of videos. Another thing is, if you like cool t-shirts, go to riptapparel.com. That's R-I-P-T apparel.com or onceuponat.net. You're going to save $3 or more off every single shirt order if you use my username London Hawthorne. Safely put this away because this is sharp AF. There are a lot of packing peanuts in here, so bear with me. Alright. I have this right here. This is something I've been wanting for a long time. So I'm actually, I've met Rikishi a few times before, but coming up pretty soon I get to see him in person 2 days in a row, and I'm gonna have him sign this WWE Hall of Famer. Woo-hoo. Bear with me. Sorry, I'm just being very cautious. But I don't have, you know, a Rikishi figure on deck, and I would love to have him sign one. That'd be great. But we got this from the Smackdown line. This is Rulers of the Ring #2, World Wrestling Federation. Also in this line was Grandmaster Sexay, rest in peace. Crash Holly, rest in peace. Steve Blackman, Big Boss Man, and Scotty 2 Hotty. That was from the House of Pain line. And then Stone Cold Steve Austin, The Rock, Triple H, X-Pac, Tori, and Undertaker. So very, very cool. This is their advertising reel scan on the sticker. So this is probably when they were really getting the technology. It's got like a awesome SmackDown sign right here. What's one of your favorite figures in your collection? What is your favorite figure in your collection? Leave a comment below and let me know what you think. This is from Jakks Pacific and WWF. It's an officially licensed product. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. I wish you the best. What's your favorite Rikishi figure? What's your favorite Rikishi moment, match? Leave a comment below. Thanks a lot for watching. I wish you the best. Have a great day.